Inspiring story, The Girl Who Never Gave Up. There was a girl named Ria. She lived in a small town in India. Ria wanted to speak English fluently. But she was afraid. She thought, my English is very bad. Every day, people laughed at her. They said, you can't speak English. Ria felt sad. But she did not stop. One day, she said to herself, I will speak English. I will try every day. She watched English videos. She listened to short stories. She repeated every sentence. She practiced in front of the mirror. She said simple lines like, my name is Ria. I want to learn English. I'm not afraid now. In the beginning, it was hard. She made many mistakes. But she smiled and said, mistakes help me learn. She wrote new words in her notebook. She learned 5 new words every day. She started talking to herself in English. She used English while doing daily work. She asked questions like, what is this? Or where are my shoes? She even started thinking in English. She stayed patient and did not give up. After 1 month, she spoke small sentences. After 2 months, she made short conversations. After 3 months, she spoke with confidence. Now, people don't laugh at her. They ask her, how did you learn English? Ria smiles and says, I listen to one English story every day. Did you like this video? Then please like it, share it, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. To watch the next story, don't forget to subscribe.